It's 6:15 on Tuesday evening. I went outside to take the trash out, and I saw all these blackbirds swarming from my house, so they must have been in the trees in our backyard. Now they're in the trees out front here. I don't know how many of them there are, but they're making a lot of noise. There were some yesterday in the tree when I came home, but I didn't have my camera to get the picture of it. I mean, the tree was literally like black dots from the top to the bottom. Wherever there was a place to perch, there was a bird. Here come some more. I don't know what causes it, but it's pretty neat, especially if you remember the movie The Birds.